Imagine whipping up crispy air-fried fries, a perfectly toasted bagel, or a juicy roasted chicken in half the time it takes your traditional oven. Sounds like a dream, right? This Panasonic air fryer toaster oven combo with 11 preset cooking functions, FlashXpress, double infrared heating, PFAS-free, 1800 watts, NB-G211P, turns that dream into reality. This powerhouse appliance is a game changer for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone craving versatility without sacrificing counter space. Let's dive into why this sleek, eco-friendly machine deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it solves everyday cooking woes with ease. Solving your kitchen struggles. Cooking can feel like a juggling act, rushing to get dinner on the table, dealing with lengthy preheating times, or worrying about harmful chemicals in your appliances. The Panasonic FlashXpress Air Fryer Toaster Oven tackles these pain points head-on. No more waiting. Long preheating times are a thing of the past. Thanks to its FlashXpress double infrared heating, this oven reaches your desired temperature in a flash, getting meals to the table faster. Healthier cooking. Craving crispy fried foods without the guilt? The air fryer function delivers that golden crunch using little to no oil, while the PFAS-free interior ensures safer, chemical-free cooking. One-stop versatility. From toasting bagels to roasting a small chicken, its 11 preset cooking functions – toast, air fry, reheat, bake, broil, dehydrate, roast, air roast, bagel, pizza, steak – make meal prep effortless for any occasion. Space-saving design. Compact yet spacious, it fits a 12-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread without hogging your countertop. Eco-conscious choice. With biodegradable, plastic-free packaging, this oven aligns with sustainable living, reducing your environmental footprint. Why the Panasonic FlashXpress stands out. This isn't just another toaster oven. It's a multitasking marvel designed to make your life easier. Here's why the Panasonic Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo shines. Lightning-fast cooking with FlashXpress technology. The dual infrared heating elements, quartz and graphene, heat up instantly, eliminating the need for preheating. In tests, it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1.6 minutes, faster than most competitors. This means your snacks and meals are ready in record time, perfect for hectic weeknights or last-minute gatherings. 11 preset cooking functions for ultimate flexibility. Whether you're air-frying crispy wings, baking cookies, or dehydrating fruit, the intuitive push-button and dial controls make it a breeze. The presets cover everything from breakfast, toast, bagel, to dinner, roast, steak, pizza, with a manual mode for custom creations. Spacious, yet compact, don't let its sleek footprint fool you. The 28-liter interior fits a 12-inch pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a small chicken, making it ideal for small families or couples. Its stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the compact design saves precious counter space. Health and safety. First, the PFAS-free enamel interior ensures no harmful chemicals leach into your food, giving you peace of mind. Plus, the double-layer glass door keeps heat in and the exterior cool, preventing burns and ensuring energy efficiency. Eco-friendly innovation. Panasonic's commitment to sustainability shines with plastic-free, biodegradable packaging. You're not just cooking smarter, you're cooking greener. Easy to clean. The removable crumb tray and enamel interior make cleanup a snap, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. User-friendly interface. The LED display and intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to use, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie. This appliance doesn't just cook, it transforms your kitchen routine, making healthy, delicious meals accessible and hassle-free. Who's this for? Panasonic Air Fryer. Toaster Oven. Combo is ideal for busy families, fast meals for hectic schedules. Health-conscious cooks. Air frying with PFAS-free materials. Small space dwellers, compact for apartments or dorms. Eco-minded shoppers, biodegradable packaging, energy efficient. Versatile chefs, 11 presets for diverse cooking. Why you should buy now. The Panasonic Air Fryer Toaster. Oven combo isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, promotes healthier cooking, and fits seamlessly into any kitchen. With its PFAS-free interior, eco-friendly packaging, and 1800 watts of power, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to simplify meal prep without compromising on flavor. At a suggested retail price of $299.99, it's a mid-range option that outperforms many pricier models, making it a fantastic value for the quality and features. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.